Today I bring you to a place called the observation deck. I'm bringing my youngest, which is the photographer now of the family, and he's gonna get some pictures up through here. And yes, don't let that big highway behind you, or behind us, fool you. I have got the observation deck. Kitt, quit pulling me. I have got the observation deck multiple times in my videos. But the point we're entering now, we haven't really taken this that often. We usually take the trail way over yonder that way. Let's get started. Now, the particular trail we're on now, the last time my wife and I actually hit this, believe it or not, was back about, I'm guessing 3 years ago. We was out with Stormy, and it was right before we started our vacation. Might have been 2 years ago. That's kind of pretty right there. I hear birds. Now that's what I want. Well, that's what I kept telling my son. Kept telling him, you love to get pictures of the birds. Observation deck's usually loaded with them. It is beautiful back here, y'all. And once again, this trail, Angie and I was actually hitting it before it was even a trail. Tell you how the trail came to be, which I mentioned it before in my videos, but it ain't gonna hurt to mention it again, right? We're all alone. Angie and Damien's back that way. By the way, an update on Angie's knee. It's still bruised very bad, still a little bit of swelling. I told her, do the best you can on walking back through here. If she can't go, you know, she feels like she needs to go back, let me know, and we both go back. Tomorrow we will be fishing. Today I decided to give it another day. The fishing, how can I put this? Sometimes when we go fishing, we have to go through some pretty interesting terrain to get to the fishing hole. Not all the time we get the best spots, but God, this is beautiful. You know what, let's show some beauty. Wow, look at that. I guarantee my son's gonna get pictures of that. That's a given. Holy smokes. Now this should come out close to the observation deck. Now we do have some very hot days coming up. And let's see, today's Tuesday. Yeah. My schedule for videos, yes, they're all over the map because I'm doing it purposely this way. So I can, I don't know, I'm just doing it this way, y'all. I promise you, after about a week or two after my vacation, the videos, oh no. Oh no, I just goofed up. Oh no. I'll show you in a minute. Well, after about a week or two, my videos go back to being pretty fresh. How the freak did I just goof up? Into the trail, and right there's the highway. Okay, let's turn around, Kitt. Guys, we took the wrong way. The highway's right there, the trail ends. No. So the one that's up the road is one we were supposed to go to. It doesn't go around, I don't think. It goes around, but it goes around, I would imagine, to where we park at. Where we used to park to go on the other trail. Hey guys, we'll be back in a minute. Okay, technically the trail is supposed to go that way. And even that way, but they have not mowed this down. I do not want to go through this with Kitt. Even though he's on flick and tea spray, or flick and tea medicine, I'm not going to get him loaded with ticks, because he still will be loaded. Okay, we're going to go back to the car, go into the other trail up the road, and go from that way. Now, the first time, remember me telling you, the last time we was on this was right before we started our vacation back about 2-3 years ago, and we had Stormy with us. Well, we went through high grass, and she was loaded with ticks. Loaded. And she was on the flea and tick medicine too. So, I mean, it does its job, but you're going to take them through a home of ticks? It's going to happen. As a matter of fact, even walking through this right now, I may need to check him when we get home for texts. Oh my gosh, I feel so stupid. I feel right at home. And what I mean by that is I make stupid choices all the time. Okay, we found another trail that was kind of off of that one a little bit. And we're going to see where it goes. If I'm not mistaken, I believe this is the one that goes to the parking lot. I can't tell anymore. Holy. Hey, you know, to be honest with you, all these were put in here. It was just put in here not that long ago, and when Angie and I did these trails, it was only one. Now there's mazes of them. And this looks like something down here. Let me show you. Huh. I don't know. Sure is beautiful though. Oh, we're still on the trail, y'all. I have no idea where we're going to come out at. I gotta be honest with you. These are all a maze. If I did the trail, I do know very well that I do know where it comes out at, but not these. Oh my Lord. At least you got pretty flowers to look at. I'm a little angry with myself because I don't want Angie putting that much walking on her knee right now. She says she's okay, but I'm the worry ward. I am worried about that. And we're coming around the bend. Coming around the bend. Where the hell are we? Oh, I say about an hour later, we are now on the trail. I do know. That's right. We have this way or we have that way to go. That trail will take us to the same spot, but this trail is mighty shady. Yes, but this one has, oh, I'm guessing, what kind of gravel is that? Oh, you know what? You are pulling me like a son of a gun. Guys, I'll be back. Oh, it's my GoPro 10's acting up again. We do have people, it looks like, getting ready to hit the trail. Last time we was on this trail was right after we got done fishing. That we had the, oh shoot. The people that was getting very loud, remember? This is where we was at, so. Oh, nice and cooler in here. Oh, man. Yeah. So, we're going to go this way. And let's see where we come out. Okay, change of plans. We have other people entering, 2 carloads entering the trail. So, we kind of figured we'd go ahead and let them have this because they're headed to the observation deck. And we'll go somewhere else and get some pictures. And oh, it's just been one crazy mistake after another today. That hurt. I stepped in that branch, went right inside my foot.
Take him?
Yeah. Honey, we're both going to be injured. And Angie keeps wanting to take Kitt because Kitt gets into these spots and he wants to pull. When he pulls, he makes my back hurt. And she's like, want me to take him? Want me to take him? Is my wife forgetting she has a busted up kneecap? And I told her, I was like, this may not be the smartest thing for you to do. As we put some miles in today, guys. Even my youngest says, I wouldn't be a bit surprised if your knee doesn't swell up really big tonight.
Okay.
Just saying, she don't think it's going to. I don't think this was the smartest idea for her to do. Of course, I could blame myself. The whole plan was for us to do the trail, her do what she thinks she can do, or what, you know, a little bit. Then we'll go ahead and she can take pictures of the flowers and stuff, but that's kind of not fair to her, I know. But yeah, I don't know, guys. This video, today's adventure, it's fun, but talk about messing up. Holy. Another way to go back to where we was headed is down this trail too. And I think that's which way the people went. That would actually come back out onto this trail about a mile up that way. Okay, we're headed out of here. We're probably going to head to the For Sale State Park and let them get some things there. So today's photo adventure is not a waste for him. I do feel bad. So we're going to take him to the park where I know he will get some photos. And we made plans for Angie and I going there tomorrow to go fishing. Alright guys, I see you at the state park. I see you at our park. Yeah, I claim ownership. Just joking. Tomorrow, the plan is to come right here where them folks are right there fishing. And we know who they are. We're probably going to go say hi real quick. And we be right there. Yes. That is Missy and Sam right there fishing. I don't think they know we're here yet. And Damien's going to try to get some pictures of some geese. But my God. Oh, this is what we needed. Yeah, on the way up here. On the way up here, I was pulling the ticks off me. Yeah. I broke my #1 rule. Whenever you get into grassy areas like that, that's where you get ticks at the most. Yeah. And Angie found a couple on Kitt. And it was 1 or 2 on me. I don't know about them yet. Alright guys, I'll be back with you in a little bit. As I walk through here, I figure I'd get some beauty real quick. Look at all them geese. It's like a whole big family of them. Oh, looks like that geese may be hurt over there under there. He's walking with a limp. Oh, that makes me sad. Alright, I haven't done a video and we went and paid a visit to Missy and Sam and Missy. And I'm going to roll some footage. As I'm talking now, he caught a fish while we was there. Caught him a pretty good sized carp. Yeah. So after a trial and tribulation, I guess is what they call it.
Trial and error.
Trial and error today. Our behest, we hit a trail we've not hit. Actually, we've never hit it since they finished the whole thing. It was a maze. It's our faults for not actually, I don't know. They're getting loaded with ticks. Hold on. Hold on, Dame. I'll unlock you. Getting loaded with ticks. I'm going to use the term, I'm going to use the phrase my wife hates. It is what it is. She hates that phrase. So I try not to use it. Alright guys, that's been today's video. We'll be back here tomorrow to fish. I probably won't have the camera. But if I catch some fish, I will take pictures and put them in the next video. Thanks for watching, y'all. Come on, let's get out of here. Don't turn the video off yet. We just got home and between the 3 of us, we found 37 ticks. Yeah. So if anything to come out of what today was, it's ticks. I blame us because normally before Angie and I do any hikes, we usually put tick spray on us. We do. Today, we just did not. Well, we don't have none right now. We did not even think about it. We just went off completely half-cocked and didn't even think about putting on any tick spray. Okay, my battery died. I'm in here in my office / bedroom. And I had to put a fresh battery in just to close this out. But yeah, we ended up with a whole bunch of ticks. Oh my gosh. So if anything, I wouldn't say it was a failed adventure because we have fun still. We did have fun. And we got to see Sam catch that fish. So, it is what it is. I shouldn't be saying that. Angie hates it. Until next time, guys, come on. Let's get out of here. We'll catch you on the next adventure.